Hello, this is Bill McRae from soloadbusiness.org. I'm going to share with you not the entire website, but just a section of the website. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to blur out my customers' names here and then the name of my software up here, because you can't get that stuff until you see what's going on, unless you buy it. But this is the custom software that we use that does a lot of different things. First of all, it tracks your orders and it organizes your orders, and it makes sure you complete and fill your orders, and it communicates with your clients automatically. How I promote this is very straightforward. I do a number of different things on Facebook, and you'll be learning how to do those things within this group. And what are those things I do on Facebook? Well, first of all, I have pages and groups, and I have blogs. The blogs post to the pages, and I use people at Fiverr to promote those pages to various groups. It grows my group, it grows my pages. The pages, I pin copies of whatever I'm offering at the top of those pages, so as I grow my following on those pages, I have more people seeing my ads, and I post new content to those pages pretty much every day. These are all techniques that we're going to be teaching people in soloadbusiness.org. You can see in this month, and it's February, I made about $7,600. Last month, $9,500. In total earnings year to date at $175,000. This would be in just a little bit more than a year. I think it was 14 months that this website's been alive. So this is one of 10 different websites that I do this with. And yeah, I have the ability to cross-network and co-market those different websites. But what I'm willing to do for you at soloadbusiness.org is actually build you one of these sites and teach you all the techniques I use. But why the hell would I be willing to do that? First of all, I have a business that sells traffic to people, and basically what you can do is buy and resell the traffic. So you don't have to build a list. If you want to build your own list, I think you're foolish, because it costs more to generate a list than you're going to make selling solo ads. If you can resell, it's called, what do they call it? They call it, it's basically being a middleman. You buy and resell, and you're in a case where you're arbitraging our traffic. And it's really a great model because it doesn't have very much risk. And we try to set people up so that they can be successful making, $1,000 to $2,000 a month. This is not one of those things where you're going to push a button and make $50,000 a month. You're not going to be flying around in jet aircraft. You're not going to have beautiful women bringing you cocktails by the beach. I mean, I suppose you could if you're better than me. Then obviously those aren't my motivations. But that's not this. I mean, those things don't really exist. I hate to tell you, but all those things are a scam. Now, your customers sell that stuff, and I've been very clear to people. I'd rather sell a service to people who are hoping to make money than to be one of the people hoping to make money. I want to know I'm making something off of those folks who are investing and trying really hard. Now, our service is good. We get people buy it. We provide real traffic. People get results with our traffic. It's just very challenging to make money, and when you're mining for the gold as opposed to selling the picks and axes, this is a sure thing. Easy, easy, easy. Takes time to build, but it's easy to do, and we train you and provide the whole website and everything for you at soloadbiz.org.